Hey guys, so this is our trip. We left at 7:45 and now it's 9:41. And we're gonna be at the hotel at 12:50. Sup y'all, the ones who bite my truck. Anyways, what we just did is I taught them a bunch of vocabulary words, and the only one that I can recall right now is sylph. Something elegant woman.
Ugly elegant woman.
No, it's a compliment actually, but I wouldn't be called a sylph. That's all I know for sure. I'm not sure where we are exactly, but they took bathroom breaks and I didn't need to go to the bathroom, so I just decided to stay inside where it's comfy and cozy. But I'm so tired, my muscles hurt. We're gonna be there at 12:44. They're wasting time. Oh my god. Look at daddy. Yep, that's right. That will snow. We're here now, and ooh, I like it a lot. Oh my god, no. I am currently standing on snow, and it's May 2017.
Like, is the rope broke or what?
I don't know.
Please. You stole my idea.
I'm kind of waiting for an order, so.
What did you get?
Oh, so I got this little drumstick. So if you want to see it up close, just come on. So it's a drumstick, king size, the original Sunday code with vanilla with chocolate swirls. It's pretty good.
So we've decided to get ice cream, right, Daddy? But he didn't get any because he's on a diet, trying to lose Hollywood weight, right? So,
Well, we have nothing to lose.
but there is a rainbow. So now we're Sasha. By the way, I love drums. So we have already been to the Glacier's Point. Now we're going back to the car to go somewhere else. And she's filming me because I paid her. Oh! Thank you. We're planning to go to a village valley something. I don't know, because my mama needs to buy some honey. 35 minutes there and then 1 hour, 10 minutes from there to the hotel. We're now going to the village and we're pretty close that my mom wanted to go to, and then we're gonna go to the hotel. I feel clean and free because nature makes you feel that way. Guess what? We're done with the village. Are you excited? Are you excited? Because I'm not.
It was cool.
It was not. Camera was $50. I'm like, I'm gonna go on red carpets on that. $50. Bike my truck. Yeah. So these are Sasha's new shoes, right? We are going to a party. It's like, don't show the number of the car. I know. It smells bad. Like you. Wasn't the party lit? So we're in the hotel. We came 8:55. I don't know. It's nice to have it around, you know? Some comfort.
Yeah.
Run, Forrest, run! Hey guys, so it's morning. I woke up at 6:55 and now it's 7:58, 57. And we're gonna go and head down to breakfast, but we have to wait for my mom because she's still doing her beauty makeup routine. So we were in Elder Grove and then this phone died, so that was really fun. But anyways, now we're going home-ish. We're gonna make a lot of stops and waste a lot of time, so. Hi guys! So we just ate Panda Express and there was a tornado behind. We do not have any hard evidence. See you later, peeps. Oh my god, I'm so cute. So that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have a good rest of your day. Goodbye.